In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song My Testimony by Elevation Worship with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name's Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video, we're taking a look at the song My Testimony by Elevation Worship. If you didn't see the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check it out right here. That's going to show you the arrangement that you're learning in this video. Also, yes, I did the same cover 2 weeks in a row, but last week's cover was My Testimony with Jimmy Cooper from Hey Worship Leader. So I showed you how to lead it if it was you and another acoustic guitar. In this video, I'm showing you just you and an acoustic guitar if you're playing it completely by yourself. So if you want to compare how I play things differently between if I'm playing with someone else and if I'm just playing by myself, I'll link that video down in the description below and you can kind of see the differences and the different choices that I make. Other than that though, let's get into the tutorial. Here we are in the intro, and I'll put the intro and verse 1 together because they kind of run together. So we're playing a G like this. Want it to be nice and thin at the beginning, and then we're just going to pick our ring finger up, keep our pointer finger down, and play a C like this. So those are the chords that we're going to be playing in the intro and the first half of verse 1, and then we're going to go to this E minor, back to the C, back to the E minor, to a D, to a C, and then repeat all of that. So altogether, the intro and verse number 1 sound like this. I saw Satan fall like lightning. I saw darkness run for cover. Miracle that I just can't get over. My name is registered in heaven. I believe in signs and wonders. I have resurrection power. Still the miracle that I just can't get over. My name is registered in heaven. Oh, my praise belongs to you forever. Into chorus number 1. Here we are in the first chorus, and we're playing some big chords here. So we're playing a G like this. Then we're going to play an E minor. We're just going to pick our thumb up. Move that shape up to the 8th fret to get our C. And then at the very end of the chorus, as we head into the instrumental, we're going to play this little C harmonic right here. So altogether, chorus number 1 sounds like this. This is my testimony from death to life, 'cause grace rewrote my story. I'll testify, by Jesus Christ the righteous, I'm justified. This is my testimony, this is my testimony. Into the instrumental. Here we are in the instrumental, and we've got a lead line to learn here, but I want to show you the chords that the lead line is based off of first. So here is the G that we're playing. Here's the E minor to a C. So those are the standard chords that we're playing, but we want to add the lead line on top of that. The tab for that looks like this, and it sounds like this. I'll play it slowly. Strum through the E minor and the C, and then again, a little different this time. So I'll play that full speed now. The lead line sounds like this. This is my testimony. Verse number 2. Here we are in verse number 2. We were playing like these thin chords in verse number 1. Now we're gonna open it up a little bit, but still not the whole way. So we're playing a G like this to a C, and then in the second half we're gonna go to this E minor to a C, then E minor, this D, this C, a little more meat, E minor, D, and C. So altogether, verse number 2 sounds like this. The chords will be right here. Follow along. Come together, sons and daughters, bought with blood and washed in water. Sing the graces of the Spirit, Son and Father. Our God will finish what He started. Yes, our God will finish what He started. Into chorus number 2. Here we are in chorus number 2, playing some big chords this time because chorus number 2, so we want it to be louder. So here are the chords that we're playing. We're playing a G like this, nice big open, to an E minor, to a C, and then at the end of the chorus we're going to hit the same harmonic again. So altogether, chorus number 2 sounds like this. This is my testimony from death to life, 'cause grace rewrote my story. I'll testify, by Jesus Christ the righteous, I'm justified. This is my testimony, this is my testimony. And you'll play the instrumental there, and then we'll head into the bridge. Here we are in the bridge. We're going to be playing a G and C all throughout the bridge, but watch how it evolves as it goes throughout the bridge. So we're going to start off with this G, 3 strings, to a C. So we're going to start off by playing that, then we're going to open it up by moving down here to this G, to a C, and then the last time through we're really going to open it up, palm muting with a G like this and a C like this, and then we'll go into the chorus. So altogether the bridge sounds like this. If I'm not dead, then you're not done. Things are still to come, oh I believe. If I'm not dead, then you're not done. Greater things are still to come, oh I believe. If I'm not dead, then you're not done. Greater things are still to come, oh I believe. Into the final chorus. Here we are in the final chorus, and coming out of the bridge, we kind of back things down a little bit, and then we're going to drive it home as we repeat the chorus one more time. So these are the chords that we're playing in the quiet part, playing a G like this. Then we're playing an E minor like this, going to this C, and as we build back into a louder chorus, we're going to go down to this C. So pay attention to that. As we're doing that, we're going to kind of be keeping the beat here with these bass thumps. So watch for all of that, and this is what the first half of the last chorus sounds like. This is my testimony from death to life, 'cause grace rewrote my story. I'll testify, by Jesus Christ the righteous, I'm justified. This is my testimony, this is my testimony. Now into the loud chorus, the second half of this part of the song sounds like this. I'll just play through because these are all standard chords that you know. So it sounds like this. This is the big chorus now. This is my testimony from death to life, 'cause grace rewrote my story. I'll testify, by Jesus Christ the righteous, I'm justified. This is my testimony, this is my testimony. Play the instrumental again. And then we're gonna end on this G. Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song My Testimony by Elevation Worship with just you and an acoustic guitar. Hey, if you saw some advanced guitar chords in this advanced tutorial, that would probably make sense, right? So I showed you a bunch of new chord voicings. If you want to learn even more of those chord voicings, I've got something free for you. It's a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of those advanced guitar chords that you can implement into your playing and level up your guitar playing. Other than that though, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.